Hey there, wonderful souls. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the incredible world of visualization and how it can positively impact our daily lives. So grab a seat, get comfy, and let's explore the power of visualization together. Visualization is like a mental movie playing in your minds, and it's a powerful tool that taps into our emotions, helping us create the reality we desire. Let's start with a simple exercise. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and picture a serene beach with the gentle waves and warm sunlight. Can you feel the warmth of the sun on your skin? Smell the salty breeze. Visualization engages our senses, making it a vivid and emotional experience. Now let's shift gears. Imagine achieving a big goal in your life, something you've been working hard for. Picture yourself crossing that finish line, winning that award, or simply accomplishing your dream. What does it feel like? Feel the rush of excitement, the pride in your accomplishment. Visualization taps into the emotions associated with success, motivating us to take the necessary step towards our goals. Visualization isn't just about external achievements, it's also a powerful tool for self-love and positivity. Imagine a moment where you truly appreciate and love yourself. What does that look like? See yourself embracing who you are, acknowledging your strengths and accepting your imperfections. Visualization fosters a positive self-image and helps build a strong foundation for self-love. Life isn't always smooth sailing. We face challenges, big and small, but visualization can help us navigate through them. Close your eyes and visualize overcoming a tough situation, emerging stronger and wiser. Feel determination, the resilience and the sense of triumph. Visualization empowers us to face challenges with a positive mindset, turning obstacles into stepping stones. As we wrap up, let's take a moment to visualize our future. Picture life filled with gratitude, abundance and joy. What does that look like for you? Visualize the life you want to live, focusing on positive emotions it brings. This not only inspires us, but also aligns our actions with aspirations. And there you have it, the incredible journey of visualization in your daily life. Remember, it's not just about seeing, it's also about feeling and experiencing the emotion that comes with it. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more positivity, and don't forget to visualize the amazing life you deserve. Until next time, stay positive, stay powerful, and keep visualizing your best life.